Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ramadan Kareem, how's your Ramadan going? I feel like this Ramadan is much easier than last year, just because it's not as hot as it was last year. Yeah, alhamdulillah for that. So today's video is going to be very casual. It's more of a vlog. I'm just going to be taking you guys through my day. I mean, there's not much left of my day. It's nearly 5 p.m. so very casual that I'm going to be waxing my other lip on camera. Sometimes, you know, this is the reality of the situation, you know, it be like that. This is gonna be so painful, but oh my god. This thing here is my mirror, so don't mind it. I don't want to do it. Oh man, why do I do this? Do you know what it is? Waxing is so much better than shaving. I've realized that over time, because when I shave, it comes back like so quickly. Oh my god, I was so close. I was about to do it. You can tell, you can see a big difference. There's like a shadow here. I need to stop looking there. I'm sorry, I'm gonna work on it, don't worry. I'm gonna clean up, do my balance of camera, and then I'm gonna share something with you guys. I'm very excited about this. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll be back. I know I say I'm always excited to show you guys stuff, but that's because I really am. And this let me stop waffling, gosh. This package is from Pixi. Do you know how exciting that is? Look at this. Actually, I'm gonna zoom you guys out a bit. I was gonna do my makeup and then like come and show you guys this stuff, but I thought, why don't I just do the same thing that I did in my last video and just put on the makeup as I show you, you know? I'm praying there's some skincare in here. I have no idea what's inside. I'm praying there's skincare in here that I can like put on before I put on the makeup, you know? On it says, Pixi, it's time to say a glowing hello to... And the best thing about this package is I didn't know I was getting it. Literally no, I was just in my bed doing my work, and then there was a knock at the door. It was like, delivery. I was like, what? And then I opened it and I saw like he was holding a big green box, but he handed me the letters first, and then I saw this green box and I saw Pixi. I was like, oh, someone got a nice order. And then I read my name on it, and then he handed it to me, and I was like, oh, this is mine? He was like, yeah, are you not Moona? I was like, yeah, I am. I had no idea I was getting it. A pleasant surprise. If you're wondering, oh, how did I get this? So I just emailed them. I was like, hi, you know, love your stuff. I'd love to try it. And they were like, oh, thank you. Here's a form. So I filled out the form like months ago, and I just randomly got this today. Not today. I got this a few weeks ago. So yeah, I filled out the form a few months ago, and then this just turned up at my door. The same thing was with happened with Sigma. Sigma you have to apply online. It's like a form thing that you have to do, and then they like look through your social media, blah blah blah, and then they send it to you. That's basically how I got this, if you're wondering. But still, I didn't know I was gonna get it. I just applied and whatever. Same thing, you guys get to have a look first. Shh. Yeah, what fell out? Oh, what? Oh my god. This is all skin skincare. I don't know why I thought there would be makeup in here. Okay, let's go through this together. From me to you, a collection of glow enhancing products developed to bring out your most beautiful glow. XOXO Petra. Wow. Inspired by our multi-award winning glow tonic, we've developed the perfect collection to further exfoliate, hydrate and nourish your skin, giving you our signature Pixi glow. Wow. So this is the card that fell out and it has information of all the products inside. Actually, I don't know if I should just... Now I'm thinking to make it a separate video. So do a challenge video and then do like a whole video dedicated to this, because we're already 11 minutes in, you know. So okay, that's what I'm going to do. So I've just decided that I'm going to split this video into two. So you're going to be getting the two videos on 2 separate days. This video is going to be only on Petra. This video is only going to be like, it's going to revolve around this. The next video is going to be the challenge video. Introducing our new glow collection. I didn't know this collection was new actually. So the first thing that we have in here is a cleanser. So step 1, you need to cleanse the skin. This is, oh, I can't do that because like I put my brows on. Damn it! Why did I put my brows on? Did they put this in order? They put it in order. Wow. First thing in here is this cleanser. It's the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. It cleanses as well as moisturizes. Nice. It has glycolic? Yeah. It has glycolic acid in it, which exfoliates the skin, and aloe vera, which soothes the skin. So it says to massage a coin-sized amount of gel onto the face and rinse off with water. I want to see the consistency of it. I'm not going to use this today, just because I've already cleansed my face. You guys, if you hear a lot of noise in the background, I'm filming on a weekend. The kids are home. I usually film when they're at school. Do you know what it is? I talk with my hands so much that whatever I'm holding just... I've already cleansed my face and everything like that, so I'm not going to be trying this out. But I'm going to be doing like a whole Instagram video on this soon anyway, so watch out for that. So I just want to see what it feels like. You know, like if it's got little beads or... I think there's a sticker on it. Oh, this smells good. Oh, it's grape, kiwi, apple, orange, lemon, grapefruit. Wait, what? It has so many fruit extracts in it. There's no bees in it. That's the thing that I was checking, because it says exfoliating, but there's no beads. I'm thinking maybe it's like, you know, there's this cleansing thing from the Body Shop, I think. Is it the Body Shop or Lush? I don't know, one of them. No, Lush, it's from Lush. They have this, no, it's not Lush. They have this cleanser which is like a skin peel. So when you use it, it takes off the dead skin with it. I think that's what it's similar to. Next thing is toning. And funny story, literally the day before I got this, no joke, I was making a list of things that I wanted to try, like makeup, skincare, whatever it was, and this was one of them. Imagine, that is crazy. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic. I've heard so many good things about this, so many good things. This is a toner. If you see me looking this way, I'm looking at this. This is a toner. It has 5% glycolic acid in it, which also exfoliates. Oh, the acid is what exfoliates. Okay, that makes sense. It has ginseng energizers. Ginseng energies. I don't know. I'm seeing that these two ingredients are like the main ingredients, and this is 100 ml. I think this is a smaller version of it. Let me just open it up. Oh, okay, that's nice. It has like a little round thing that it comes out with. I actually don't have any cotton rounds. I'm literally gonna have to use tissue for this because I don't have any cotton pads. I mean, that feels nice and it smells good. To be honest, this is my first time using like a proper toner. Usually I just use like witch hazel or something like that to take the rest of my makeup off with. Oh, this has witch hazel in it as well, so if you like that, it's got it. This product is something that I'm gonna have to try over time. Apparently it's meant to make your skin very brightened, it's gonna hydrate, all that loveliness. This is the Glow Tonic Serum. I love serums. It also has glycolic acid to exfoliate, aloe vera to soothe, and the ginseng energy thingy. So you need to massage 2 to 3 drops onto skin, toned before you moisturize. Oh, this is the... Oh, that's cute. Oh, all this stuff smells so fresh. This doesn't look or feel like any of the serums that I've ever tried. They're usually like very oily and stuff. This is like a gel. Oh wait, how many drops did they say? Because I did not follow that. Oh, wow, this feels so good. This is very sticky. Which I guess people say is good for makeup because it sticks onto the makeup. I don't know. Can you guys see that there's really like a slight glow to my skin? I'm glowing. Okay, next step is number 4. Number 4 is hydrate. I mean, I feel very hydrated already, but more hydration? Yes, please. This is the Phenomenal Gel. This is what it looks like. So this has horse chestnut in it, which hydrates and soothes, aloe vera, which also soothes, and citric acid, which balances and brightens. So you need to use a coin-sized amount after cleansing and toning. That's why it's called Phenomenal PH. I love a good play on words. Nothing better in the world than good skincare. Coin-sized amount. I don't know which coin. A £2 coin, a 5p coin. Okay, it feels very nice. This feels so rich. I don't know if it's that serum underneath, but wow, this feels so good. My skin feels so hydrated. We have one more step left, and this is moisturize on the go. This is what it looks like. This is also a moisturizer. Okay, so this has, oh wait, on the glow. Oh, on the glow, not on the go. So it has vitamin D. It has vitamin D, vitamin D2, which protects and brightens, the ginseng energy thing again, and glycolic acid, which exfoliates. This is a travel-friendly solid moisturizer used on face, lips, body, and hair. Okay, what? That is this like a balm? I think it's like a balm. Yes, it is. And then you twist this. Oh shit, why did I twist it up? It doesn't twist back down. Once you twist this, it doesn't twist back down. So don't twist it unless you actually need to. And you know, we fasting, so my lips need it. This is a huge lip balm. I literally just rubbed it in and it feels so much better. Okay, I'm basically done. I'm glowing. Glow. So overall, I'm very happy. Of course I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. My face feels so good right now. I can't wait to put on foundation. Oh, I failed on the whole look in the camera thing. I'm gonna work on that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed, you know, doing some skincare with me. I miss makeup. I'm gonna go put on some makeup and then I'm gonna start filming that challenge video. Thank you so much to Pixi. Thank you very much. I always appreciate anything that I get. It's so crazy to me that I got a package from Pixi. Like, wow. I'm gonna definitely include these more in my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope some of these products intrigued you, because I'm very intrigued. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.